Hello guys, so in today's video we have a Tecno Spark 2 with a broken screen. So you can see the screen is broken. You can see the crack over here. So the screen is dead. It's supposed to be replaced with a new one. So you can see over here. Let me show you. You can see the screen is damaged, so we're supposed to replace this screen with a new one. So this is Tecno Spark 2. So let me shut down this phone. Does not function, does not touch because the screen is broken. So not function at this side. So let's open it. First of all, supposed to remove the SIM tray. Remove the SIM tray, then use this to remove the back cover. Push this fingerprint inside it. So remove while you push this fingerprint inside. Now back cover is off. So remember the phone does not shut down, so you have to be careful. So first of all, to remove this nut, have to remove. Have to be careful because the phone is not shut down. You can cause a short circuit. So use a plastic material to take this out. And over here, so we're supposed to disconnect the bed first. Use the plastic material. Let's remove. So take this out. So disconnect the bed. This is the bed connector. You have to disconnect the bed first. So the bed is disconnected. So you can take out the fingerprint out. So what we're going to do, guys, because this is your LCD, so it's supposed to remove the bed out. So what can we do? Now take the bed out. Let's use heat. So I'm going to remove the bed to use the heat. So I can use 120 centigrade to take out the bed, because at back of the bed there is a glue. So be careful with the LCD cable. We see these cables, you have to be careful. So we use this tool. So you can see the battery is out. So this is a CD cable. So just supposed to take this out. So remove the cable, use the plastic material like this. Be careful surrounding component. Then it's out. This is the cable. So now we're going to take off the LCD. So we're going to use the same amount of temperature. Move it. Careful, let's see. You can see you can move it easily. So no need to care because the LSD is dead. So it's out. So what now I'm supposed to do? So guys, we're going to remove the remaining glue. So using the tool, you can see the tool is TJ1. So I'm going to, you can see this tool charging is type C. So I'm going to remove the remaining glue carefully. Take out. So we have already cleaned the body clearly. So now we're going to test the new LCD. So this is the broken LCD, you can see here. And this is a new LCD, so we're going to test it. If it's fine, we're going to install it. So this is the new LCD. Put like this. We're just going to test it. The battery. So let's just put the battery, because we're going to test first and then install it if it's fine. After that, power button, press the power button, it's on. Is it on? Is it on? So swipe, go to images. Let me show you images. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 8, 9, 0. Hash call. Okay. Swipe down. Good. Up, down, up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Star, hash, call. Up, down, up. So it's touching, function well. So I'm going to test it if this LCD is stuck or not. Off. On, off, on, off, on. So it's not stacking, so this is good. So let me turn off this phone. Swipe down, shut down. And the phone is going off. So guys, the LCD is good, so we're going to install the new LCD. So carefully disconnect the battery from the connector. After that, remove the battery. Now disconnect the LCD connector properly and carefully with plastic material like this one. Good. Take like this. So our LCD is out. So I'm going to use this glue. before that, let's clean the camera. Clean the selfie camera with tissue or any clean material. Selfie camera cleaning. After that, I'm going to apply the LCD glue. This is our glue. So open the glue. We're going to install after put the glue, you can see. So let's clean here. After that, we're going to install the LCD. I have to be careful to place the LCD on its edge. You can see, so push it down. After that, we're going to assemble the phone. So now, we're supposed to be careful here. Install the SD connector. put like this. You can see now install the battery. Plug in the battery. After plugging the battery, we're going to put back other components like this one. Put the nut back. After that, we have to install the fingerprint sensor back. You have to put the fingerprint sensor back. Put this metal shield back. Put the shield back. After that, the fingerprint sensor. Now, put the back cover. This is the back cover. Oh, be careful with the battery. So you're supposed to put small glue. We suppose you can see around the fingerprint sensor here. Let's put the small glue here in order for back cover tight this fingerprint sensor. Put a little glue. So we're going to install back the back cover. After that, put back the SIM tray. The phone is on. Install the rubber bands. Good. Good. The last bar again. So wait for like a half an hour, then the phone will be okay. You can see the phone is working. You can see the phone is working. Emergency. The phone is working. So wait for half an hour, then the phone will be okay.